Hello?
Yo, in the trap, we are so lit. Let's get it. So check this out. I ended up going out earlier today and grabbing me a handful of footage. It's probably not that much, but at the same time, I did my best. I tried to execute as best as possible, you know what I'm saying? I was on a mission. Basically, this video is about military fashion for beginners, for all those troops out there, for all those little soldiers. I'm a troop myself and a soldier. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not anymore at least, but hey, at heart, I'm a soldier. So basically, I'm gonna be covering the pieces and the little knickknacks that you'll need with this little outfit so that it can make your outfit pop, make your style pop. Now, you don't need everything that I'm about to point out in this video. You don't need every single piece. You just need whatever it takes or whatever you can afford. Just get that. I'm gonna let you guys know who's my plugs because they so fire. They nice, man. I got a few plugs that I go to for all of my gear, all of my outfits. They might not be as expensive as most of the other sources out there, but at the same time, it still will take a little bit of money just to invest in some of this stuff. And I got a few pieces that I'll be going over. This is not a review. This is just me going over pieces that I'll be styling in the video so you guys can get a better look and take on how to style military fashion. Man, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This light is about to blind me, yo. Alright. For the first piece, alright, so these are Nike SFB military tactical jungle boots. As you can see, the brown, it's a two-tone type of boots. I'm gonna be doing an on-feet version for this right here. This one in particular, this is gonna be a nice little video. It's just on feet, how they look, how they will fit on your feet, I guess. Just a better take on how they gonna look on your feet. If you lace them up the way that I lace them up, if you rock them the way that I rock them. As you can see, you got the little Nike swoosh right here on the inside, as you can see. Nike swoosh on the inside. I don't know why they did that. Should have put it on the outside of the soles, but Nike's always got to be so extravagant with stuff, I guess. But yeah, these are actually a nice fit. These are size 11s. I would not get your actual size with these boots. If you want them to have a little bit of extra room, then you can get them in your size. But I would go half a size down when it comes to boots. Any boots, really. So just go half a size down, and that should be your fit right there. I actually got these from eBay for about 85 bucks. I don't remember if it was auction or not, but I did get these for 85. But then, you know, shipping and handling is a pain in the bum. So, you know, that added up to my to the rest of the cost. All right, so check this out. The next thing most people might not pay attention to when it comes to styling an outfit, they might pay attention to it when someone else wears it, but they just won't even look at it when it comes time for them to style an outfit. But it's the wool socks, man. I got these actually from AliExpress. 3 came in the pack. I ended up getting black ones inside this pack and gray ones inside this pack. Came out to be $10 plus shipping and handling, probably $1.45, something around that line. They still fresh. Nah, I'm just kidding, bro. They look nice, man. You just, when you wear them, make sure you tuck your pants inside of them just a little bit. Just a little bit, man. Not too much, bro. Don't bring it all the way up to the calves. Talking about, yeah, man, you know, I'm styling these socks. No, don't do that. Scrunch these joints down. Call it a day. I'm gonna show y'all in the video, matter of fact. But yeah, 10 bucks, AliExpress, can't beat it. Go ahead and get you a pair. The next thing most folks might overlook, but this right here enhances your style a whole lot more, especially for my military folks out there. You already know what time it is. When it comes down to this piece right here, this all black military watch right here. It's a military watch. This brand right here is a G-Shock, only like something amount of dollars because my ex bought it for me. So when she bought it, I don't know what price it was. I just knew it was free. So now most people think, hey, your ex bought it for you. Well, isn't it trash? Shouldn't you just toss that joint? No. That's not how I see it. Most people see it that way. It's not trash to me. Let me tell you how it is. To me, this is more like saving $1, okay? Saving a couple dollars, bruh. More than a couple dollars in that matter, but this is more like saving some money. So I'm gonna hang on to this as long as this joint is still alive, bro. As long as it's still ticking and talking, I'm hanging on to this joker. I'm not spending no more money on another watch. Still in perfect condition, it still tick tocks. Yeah, the clock on it still works, and it's also a digital watch. An alarm on it still works and all that. So I'm hanging on to this bad boy. Next, don't be fooled. Overlook it if you want, okay? Overlook it if you want. All right, check this out. Regular dog tags, nothing expensive, just regular dog tags, man. You don't look, dog tag pendant right here. Something simple, man. I got this from Amazon. These are custom made right here. As you can see, you got the polar bear paw prints, and then you have the slash or claw marks from, you know, whatever animal. I say it's a wolf. I wanted it to be a wolf, so claw marks from a wolf for me. This right here is a regular polar bear with the silencer. This one is just a regular rope necklace. As you can see, this one's a bead necklace. This is a different type of bead necklace. It's a little more fancy, but don't overlook them. I don't have to worry about the pendant too much because no one's ever going to actually see my pendant. I tuck my necklaces in, with my dog tags in, just like a regular military person. So that gives it even more of a military style when you tuck your dog tags in as well. All right, so check this out. Last but not least, we're about to go over this last piece that you guys might overlook. Now, anybody with a backpack knows backpacks enhance the style to the max level. Anybody knows the backpacks is what enhance the style, enhance the sauce. Now, as you can see, it's a tan backpack, tactical backpack, military backpack. This will make perfect use for a techwear vid or techwear outfit, but obviously it won't be all black techwear. It'll be a all tan techwear. Probably like something I'll make up, add my own little sauce to it. But this right here was only like 20 something bucks plus the shipping, I guess. Probably not even any shipping, probably free shipping, but I got this from eBay. eBay is the plug for this one right here. You can actually get this one from AliExpress. I recently just bought a black tactical backpack all from AliExpress, and that was only like 15 bucks. So shipping and handling together with it might come out to be about 18 bucks, but at the same time, I was looking to get in that joint from AliExpress, but it'll take like a month or maybe a couple weeks. But I was looking to getting it from AliExpress if you want to save a little bit more coins and put some of those coins to something else that you want to invest in. But this right here, I need a backpack. You might need one too if you go out and you carry a lot of stuff with you. So this right here will help you out a whole lot more and still add a sauce to you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright, so hopefully you guys picked up something from the video that you might like. In this next clip, I'm about to show you guys how I'm stepping off. So without further ado, in the trap we lit, I'm out.
Bottom of a rocket, hot as tamale, ganja lit, squad legit, armor whips. Roll call, state your name, sweatshirt. See him flex, tweet it, vex, seated, engaging my ex-demons, evading arrest, speeding straight into the next precinct. I'm making a mess, leave it, I can't breathe. Floating off the best product, get money and dress awful. I'm holding a press conference.